how to download offline maps in Apple Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to use Apple Maps even while you're offline? Then I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Just open up your Apple Maps and just find the area that you want to view offline. Just tap on it and then you can see the download option pop up. Just tap on it and then you can see a rectangle like area. You can just pinch the screen to increase or decrease the area that you want to download, and then once you're done, just tap on the download option. So now this area that is inside the rectangle can be viewed even when you are offline. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.